Welcome back to the DIY Squaredrop Camper Build. This is the view from our friends of us going down the highway. We took our first trip. We were so excited. We went out about 80 miles away. It took us about 3.5 hours to get there because we left Friday afternoon. But we had a fantastic time driving out to Brannan Island here in the Bay Area. We went with our friends Brian and Sybil, and with the wife and the dog. So here's a little bit of a walk around, and I want to thank my wife so much for all her support throughout this process. Our garage has been absolutely torn apart for the better part of 2 years. So here's the galley in the back. It was a great trip. We were gone 2 days, and it was honestly just a fantastic time with our friends and with this camper. I got a lot of attention, as you can imagine. So here I have the galley with the stove pulled out and the cooler pulled out, just so you can kind of see what everything looks like, with all of our silverware and tools and everything in here. I think I'm going to build another drawer for the middle, just above that Blue Eddy, which is in front of our 200 amp hour batteries back there. But yeah, the galley served its purpose. It really makes cooking super simple. So yeah, the awning is great. It's the Batwing. Well, it's a Batwing style awning, but it's the Ironman 4x4 awning. It's great. It's got lights on it too, which we forgot to record at night there, but I did a little recording in our driveway. So here you can see inside. With a little shelf up there, all our pillows, fits a queen size bed, and all the shelving. It was very, very comfortable. Definitely the most comfortable we've ever slept camping before. That is for sure. Here's a view of it when we packed up to leave, just so you can kind of see. There's Brian giving everyone a wave with our dog. But this is what it looks like when it's all packed up and going down the road. Since the last video I built those fenders, I just didn't do a video on it because it was an arduous process of fabricating and welding those fenders together. But yeah, this thing towed like a dream. It was really great. So here's I just turned on the lights, just the cool ones, the LEDs, for this little demonstration. But you can see the lights on the awning. It provides a decent amount of light. There's also settings you can go up and down, but overall, yeah, it was a great process. This is kind of the reveal video. There will be one more video where I take the entire build and put it all together into one video, so it'll probably be like a 45-minute to an hour long video of just the build sped up with probably just music. I don't think I'm going to do a voiceover for that, but maybe I will. And there's my stepson pretending like he's dead inside the cabin. So like and subscribe. Thanks so much to everybody, your comments and messages. It's been great. So take care, everyone.